So this is the valve in the 2010 FJR1300. It's really hard to get a shot in there. Try it like that. There, that's a little better. You can see the oil in the back there. On each one, actually. Well, maybe not each one, but it's almost like, well, it is burnt oil, really. Yeah, that one's pretty wet. You see it weeping. That's the way my that's the way my 05 looked. 20,000 K before it started ticking. I don't know if it's related or what, but certainly worrying. I don't know. Nice bike, but a lot of problems. A lot of work for just to have a bike on the road. Anyways, that's it. 2010 FJR 1300 motor swap to an 05. The 05 is back here. It needs to be, motor needs to be pulled out of it. Ticking like crazy. Not the cam chain, upgraded that, but yep, that's it. A lot of work.